What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a good one. We're gonna have a pitch stop installed on the STI here. So I got it right here. I got it right here. It's from Perrin. Pitch stop mount, as you can see. And there it is. Now I went with the black, reason being, I'm not sure. And some blueprint right there. Awesome, cool. Now, reason why I went with black is because I don't know what the theme of my engine bay is going to be. I don't know. I don't know. I plan on doing front mount at some point. And so when I do, I plan on painting the intercooler piping. Now, the problem is I don't know what theme it's going to be. I never had this color of a car before, the dark gray or whatever the exact code is. Never had one, so I'm still pitching ideas of what it could be. I don't want to do the lime green like the calipers are, so there's still many ideas, but until that time comes, there's a long time before that time comes. So for now, the black is fine. I like it. Keep it stealthy. So let's get to the install. All right, guys. So the pitch stop is going to be right behind the top mount intercooler, so we have to take the top mount off. Can't even talk today. So to do that, we're gonna have to remove bolt here, the stock bypass, bolt here, there, and there. And if you could see right in there, focus, right there is flathead for the turbo, right there. Same thing right here, we're gonna loosen that. Again, flathead. And yeah, these are all these bolts are 12 mil. And yeah, so I'm gonna loosen those up, pop the top mount off. Should just be able, I'll probably have to jiggle it a little bit, but get that off and show you how it looks. Bolts are loose, everything. Just one more thing I forgot to mention, this hose is clipped on there, just pop it right out. Another thing, the bypass valve has a gasket. I didn't even pull this out yet. It's staying right in there, right on, you can see it. So just be careful with that, make sure it doesn't drop. I might try to pull it out. It's actually really on there. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so I'm just gonna leave that there, but yeah, pull that out. Everything is loose. All loose right here. Like I said, these are all 12 mil and flatheads here and the turbo right there. So let's pull this out and show you how it looks. That'd be a good time to check the inside, see if there's any oil. Not really. There is a little bit, looking at it. So I'll definitely have to get at AOS at some point. But I found the easiest way was to push towards the car and then pull it towards the driver's side. Like one hand, just pull or push, and then the other one push towards the car, and just some force. But so this is the factory pitch mount right here. Should be pretty easy install. Just 214 mils should come right out, and pretty sure it's 14. Well, I'll let you guys know. And yeah, let's get the new pitch stop in. All right, guys, the pitch stop is out. Very easy. There were 14 mil there. And here's a quick side by side. So you can see, Perrin is a lot thicker. The bushings are definitely thicker, and oh yeah, that's compared to these flimsy ones. So let's get this installed and take it out for a test drive. All right, guys, the pitch stop mount is installed. One thing I forgot to mention is it comes with little grease. Put grease around the bushing there, like on the Perrin one, all around this side, both sides, and then again on this side, since that is gonna be the contact point on both sides. So this front one is gonna be 37 foot-pounds, and then that back one is gonna be 43. So make sure you tighten those down, and that's it. easy install, and let's just put everything back together and go for a drive. So literally the hardest part about this whole install is trying to get the intercooler back into, well, the piping into the turbo inlet and into the intake. So what I just did is to remove the bracket that's literally right here. There's a 2 bolts right there. I just removed that so I have more clearance right over here, so I can move this around a little more. They're 12 mil bolts. There's only 2, so it should be a little bit easier now to be able to wiggle around, because that bracket sits literally like right here, so this mounting point is hitting it and not giving me a lot of room to wiggle around. So remove that and it should be a lot easier now. All right guys, there you have it. Everything is back installed, all tightened up, all the bolts in. So now let's take it out for a test drive and see how it feels. I'm gonna try my best to get some in-car footage, but unfortunately I don't have a mount for the car. So I'm gonna try. The camera might fall. If it does, I apologize. I'll try to pick it up as quickly as possible. But yeah, let's go for a ride and see how she feels. All right, let's see how she feels. All right, the engine is cold, so I'm gonna take it easy a little bit until it warms up and see how she does. All right guys, I'm trying different angles, but camera keeps falling. So initially, I don't notice a difference. Everything feels the same. Put the windows up. Nothing. Can't complain so far. Everything feels good. Feels a lot stiffer. I don't feel the engine is rocking back and forth as much in between gears. Oh wow, even downshifts are feeling pretty good. See, 3rd gear pull. Wow. Ooh, that was a good. Oh, wow. So I definitely see an improvement there in between gear change. So even downshifting feels good. We're gonna turn around here. All right, so I definitely, I definitely don't notice a difference everyday driving, just changing gears normally, like just cruising along. I definitely don't notice a difference. What I am noticing is that shifts are going in smoother. I am noticing that. Under throttle, let's go 3rd gear pull again. Feels more precise there. What I am noticing is more engine noise for sure. So let's do a 2nd gear pull. See if I hear some noise. Yeah, that feels solid. That's the word, solid. Yeah, I'm happy with this. So there you have it, guys. Pitch stop mount installed. Love it so far. Another thing I noticed once I pulled over, parked the car, what I did notice is there's a lot less engine shaking just at idle, which is good because I always, you get that the whole car is just shaking and shaking. It's not horrible, but it makes you wonder sometimes. But it is smooth. It's just, you barely feel any vibration at idle, which is awesome. So hope you like this video. Like, subscribe. There's more installations coming. I got other parts waiting to install. I got them all here. So make sure you like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I'll put the link down in the description below. And I hope to see you in the next one.